Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to play a 45 record, and it's going to be really exciting and really fun, and yeah, I also hope you're all doing okay and are safe and happy and stuff, you know. And, yeah. I did see some comments about how, some of you don't think my record player is the best quality or something, which, you're probably right, but I have no money, and this is what I got, and I really like it, so. But thanks for the constructive criticism and feedback and love and all this stuff you give me. So yeah, anyway, let's get started. So, starting off, you're going to want to turn on your record player, of course. Unclip the needle and take out this centerpiece thing, which fits the 45 much better than putting it on the red. It wouldn't work without that middle piece. And you want to make sure your speed is on a 45 and not a 33 or a 78. You want to make sure it's on 45, otherwise it'll just sound funky and it could scratch the record, I think. And then you're gonna put the needle under 45 record, and it's gonna sound very good, some groovy music. So once again, as in my how to use a record player video, I could not sing the music because it's copyrighted, so here's some REO speedwriting for you of me singing it. I'm gonna keep on loving you. Also remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah! I think that's the lyrics, right? Is it the lyrics? So, once you've played the 45 record and it was all fun and groovy, you're gonna want to go ahead and lift the needle up and place it to the side. If you don't wish to play any more records, you can put it right back down and put the clip in it. But I put it away. Yeah. Something strange I also noticed whilst looking through my 45 records is I found one that didn't need the little insert, which was quite interesting to me. This Culture Club one with this very handsome boy on it doesn't need the little insert thingy, so I went ahead and put that on there and played it too. It's a very good song by Culture Club. And yeah, so here I am gonna sing it for you because I don't want to get copyrighted once again. And here we go. God, thank you, woman. Thank you for the joy that you give to me. Yeah, this is a good song. And I'm never following the lyrics in these videos cause I'm a goof. And here I am dancing cause I'm a weirdo. But you love me anyways cause I'm a potato. Yeah! Well guys, that's the end of the video, I guess, or something like that. Anyway, I hope you all stay safe and are doing well, and stay calm, take some take some deep breaths if needed. And yeah, I love you guys. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you all later. Bye!